Hello everyone, this is John from Greenpointe, back with another session of helpful tips from your friends at Greenpointe Wood Floor Supply. I wanted to talk to you about the Pallmann P17 adhesive product. This is a product that's developed especially for resolving those issues, say on an engineered floor where there's maybe a hollow sound underneath the floor after you're all done installing it, and there's a hollow tapping sound as you walk across the floor. Often that can be resolved by using a product like this. It comes with a very fine applicator tip, real small point on the end of that tip. You drill a hole in the top of the board, insert the tip into the board, and inject this adhesive underneath the floor. The adhesive then expands after it gets in contact with the subfloor and the bottom of the flooring. This will expand like a foam and fill in the void underneath the board and resolve that hollow sound. Great, clever little idea. Nice tool to have in your arsenal of solving those awkward and difficult problems with an otherwise successful floor installation. Again, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you next time.